They use nano.
They switch fire. They switch fire.
Please make
They should have rally.
And
And
they
they
have
shattered.
They have pharmacy.
So,
Beat it there too, so I'm gonna grab. That's our plan. We're just gonna grab here.
You want me to use mech with grab? Mech with grab? Or no?
shatter mech.
There's all for me. Zarya's got Discord.
Zarya right. Zarya right.
Tara got to me.
Yeah, Sarius! Where's Farm? Can we get the Mercy? Can we get the Mercy?
Mercy half.
Mercy low.
Mercy low. Mercy one.
Mercy low, back.
Speed him out.
Your Zen's not
Aggro there. Perfect aggression there. Fucking sick.
Heal Lucio.
I might just go for here. See this? Tell me when.
No.
Zarya, their fair's
Oh,
one.
mine's better, shoot it!
I got pin. Oh. Okay.
I feel like
Fire off this.
Shoot him! Nice!
Mercy behind. Mercy
Mercy
behind.
right.
Mercy! Back up! We can still end this.
Speed.
Run.
Oh, back low! Hold up!
Lucio, super low.
Lucio alone! I need heals. I'm main source of damage. Heal me.
Got you. Fire back in. Keep helpful up. They shattered.
It's big!
Sorry.
No! I got. Oh, what the fuck? I paid.
The fair's all over me.
Nice.
Mercy, just mercy.
Overtime. Come on.
Mora, no fade.
We're nuts, baby!
Alright.
Lucio.
Lucio!
Alright,
Go.
we're not over. We're not done.
Alright. All we have to do is get one tick.
Score 0-0. Switching sides.
Thank you.
Hold up. Do we want to try a fire mercy here? Because they're almost guaranteed to run goats.
Armis.
Or we could just run goats. Doesn't really matter to me.
Honestly, we should honestly just back ults unless we get it on the first push. Because if we can use 6 ults in a fight, we can't lose.
Hey, alright. From now on, whenever Leighton has shatter and we're planning on using it in a fight, clear comms so I can call out my bash and he can use it like immediately because I called it out and it was a little late, and so we missed a little bit of opportunity there.
Alright.
Let's go.
Never Leighton call shatter. No, Leighton, you say I have shatter. Say I have shatter. Everybody, whenever Leighton says I have shatter, that means he's using it on the next fight, right?
No, we're gonna talk about it later, but we're gonna need a word for like clear comms. Like we're gonna need a word.
I got a word. It's neck. We're playing. That's our word. That's our word for click on.
What?
Alright.
Neck.
My ultimate is charging.
Just slinging it.
Give him the old gooseneck, baby.
We're going.
On our side.
Let's get it.
They're gonna try to do some cheese. Get ready.
Point
They're
left
trying
side.
to have cheese.
They have Ash, I think? No. Wait, maybe. I'm not sure. Ashton?
They have bash. Just play under.
Same point. There's no point. He's nice. Right on point. Winnable. He's kill.
Sorry.
Brig one. Oh, kill Lucio. Arista. GG. Good fucking
Let's
game.
fucking go, guys.
Good job.
Let's fucking go.
Yeah, that was smart.
Yeet.
Whoever that was. That wasn't me, but whoever it was, good call.
That Blizzard World is what I want from you guys. That was good.
Thanks.
Like this. You're a little nuts here, dude. you're getting a. You got super lucky that we play around your feeding because if this is like an actual game, you would have gotten owned.
89%.
They all just left.
That was great.
Okay, here's the play.